floating PLTD is an electricity generator ship owned by PLN in Banda Aceh, Indonesia, which is currently a tourist attraction, known as the floating boat. This ship has an area of about 1,900 square meters, with a length reaching 63 meters. This floating ship has indeed changed its function from a power plant to become a tourist attraction in Aceh. The power generating engine, whose power reaches 10.5 megawatts, was previously inside the ship, but has now been moved in 2010. Currentently, the floating ship is under the management of the Ministry of Energy and Mineral Resources, ESDM. The 2,600-ton vessel was previously at sea, precisely at the harbor crossing Ulu, where it stands today, Punj Blanket, Jaya Baru, Banda Aceh City. On Sunday, the 26th of December 2004 at around 8:45 West Indonesia time, the ship was dragged 2.4 kilometers inland due to the earthquake and tsunami waves as high as 9 meters. This ship was given to the Aceh government when a conflict between the government and GAM, Free Aceh Movement, took place. In 2012-2013, the ship was renovated. The visitors can get on the boat in the surrounding area is now equipped with 2 towers, a monument, footpaths and a fountain. This large ship witnessed the history of the disaster. So at this time, the ship was made a tsunami warning monument in Aceh as well as a tourist spot for the people of Aceh. Since April 2012, this ship was deliberately surrounded by an iron fence as high as 1.5 meters. Various facilities were added, ranging from bridges, inscriptions to the documentation room. In front of the guardhouse there is an inscription as high as approximately 2.5 meters. At the very top there is a round clock which refers to the figure 7:55 WIB, which is the time of the tsunami at that time. Under the inscription contains the names of villages and fatalities. Near the inscription, there is a relief made of copper which tells the story of the stranded PLTD. Thus, the history of the floating ship that became a monument to Aceh tsunami. Thank you. Thank you, Joe Libra Chanel.